Cosmic Girl is now on the runway taking off. And we are wheels off the ground. Godspeed LauncherOne, Godspeed Cosmic Girl on this historic both European and UK mission to open space for everyone. You can see now this is an aft camera view from the drop. So we have, it looks to be a successful ignition of the stage 1 engine as we make our way to space. Like I had said before, a lot happens very quickly after drop. You can see here that we're actually getting towards the end of our stage 1 burn. Everything is nominal so far. We've had our pitch up on the bottom, on the burn time that you can see on the graphical user interface if you do have that one up. We have made it through max Q alpha, which is one of the most stressful physical moments for the rocket, very comfortably through max Q. And then also through our maximum heat, aerodynamic heat heating. Welcome back as we see Cosmic Girl touching down back to UK spaceport Cornwall. She did a magnificent job today and was fully successful in her portion of the mission. As I had said earlier, Virgin Orbit's number one priority is the safety of our flight crew and the folks on the ground as well. So we can see that she has come home safely.